friends, hi Jason and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to do the 4G data speed test comparison between the OnePlus 9R versus the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. As you can see friends, this is a Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone which I'm trying to use right now. So first I'll try to use the vSIM as a 4G SIM. First I'll try to test in the Samsung phone the 4G data speed test, and then I'll try to use the same SIM card in this OnePlus 9R, and we'll compare the 4G data speed. So which phone will be able to receive the 4G data more and which phone will be able to give the maximum 4G data. And in case if you are enjoying this kind of video, so make sure to type in the YouTube regarding the 4G data, so you can get all the list of 4G data which I did 4G data SciTech Guru. So in this way you'll be able to get all the list of videos where I did plenty of comparisons as well. So let's see friends, in this video first I'll try to do in the Samsung phone, then I'll try to test in this OnePlus 9R. So is the speed test application which I opened in the Samsung phone first, and let's see friends what the Samsung phone is actually capable of receiving the 4G speed. So I am very curious to see how much speeds the Samsung phone will be able to take. And on the top you can see I'm getting the 4G signal VoLTE, and on the bottom you can see V Idea. And the Samsung phone was able to grab the speeds up to 25, 28 Mbps of speeds, 26 Mbps, 27, 28, as you can see friends clearly, 28, 29, 30 as well. So I'll try to do the testing 2 times, so we'll get the average from the 2 testings which I'll be doing right now. So let's see friends which phone will be able to get the maximum 4G data. So I'm very curious to see. And right now the upload speeds are not so great. Upload speeds only 1 Mbps and 2 Mbps, not much speeds we are seeing. So let me try to do the testing second time. So in the second time of doing the testing, so we'll get to know the results, how much we are expecting. And in the second time of the testing I was able to get only close to 20 Mbps, 20, 19. The speed decreasing friends, as you can see sometimes. So the speeds are maximum right now, it went up to 24, 25 Mbps, 26 Mbps only. As you can see right now 25 and 26, that's it, not much. So and the upload speeds are 4, 5 Mbps only. As you can clearly see friends, the upload speeds 6 Mbps, 5 Mbps, that's it. So in the 2 averages, if you take into consideration, the maximum is only the 30 Mbps of speeds. So now let me try to remove this SIM. So I am trying to remove the SIM from the Samsung phone, and I'm trying to use the same SIM in the OnePlus 9R device. So it's a OnePlus 9R, so I'm trying to use in this OnePlus 9R device. So right now let me try to use, so it is a SIM card which is installed, and let me try to show you the speed results as well. So right now the signals are getting, as you can see friends, on the top. So I did get the 4G signals, so receiving the 4G signals. So yes, 4G signals has been received. Let me try to open the speed test application. It is a speed test application. Let me try to start the test. So it is a test. So I've started. So let's see friends, how much score we will be able to get in this OnePlus 9R in terms of 4G data signals. So right now still it's searching for the server, and right now it's found, and let's see friends whether it will be able to get that kind of speed. As you can see friends, right now the OnePlus 9R reached up to 40 Mbps of speeds. You can see the difference between right now both phones. So 30 Mbps versus this 38 and 39, 40 Mbps speeds you are getting here. As you can see friends, 58 and 43, 4 Mbps, 4 Mbps and 44 Mbps here. 5 Mbps of upload speeds you are getting. So not much speeds. So let me try to do the test again second time. So second time we'll be able to compare properly the results. So second time of testing, even the second time phone went up to 25, 30, it's reaching above 40 only. So now it went up to 50, no not 50, so maybe 45 speed, 47 Mbps. As you can see friends, 47 Mbps of speed. That's a really high speed which I am getting in the OnePlus 9R if you are compared with the normal mobile phone from the Samsung, which is the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So this is a quick comparison friends in terms of the highest score. Let me try to take highest. So these are the highest score recorded in both phones. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting comparisons. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.